In this video, I will show you how to switch to a professional account on Facebook. Now, on your Facebook profile, you need to click these three dots and choose to turn on professional mode. And on this next screen, you can read what you can do with your professional account. And after that, you need to select turn on to agree with the commercial terms of Meta and go on to finish setting up your profile. And as you can see, you need to review your privacy settings, add more profile details, and add more content to widen your audience. And you can always skip steps to complete them later. And after completing all the necessary steps, you can go back to your profile to check how your professional profile looks like. And to make your professional account even better, you can make use of this guide. And if you want to boost your content, you can advertise it, which involves creating ads and managing them. And through this tools feature, you can access your professional dashboard and check your account and the content performance. Create better content and grow your account and monetize your content. And on your posts, you can check their insights and boost them with ads. And you can access more professional features on your account's main menu. And if you go to settings, then professional mode under audience and visibility, you can check some recommendations for your professional account. And it will switch back to your normal Facebook account. You also need to come to these three dots and choose to turn off the professional mode. And you can also read what changes after you switch your account. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Facebook and other social media platforms, then ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.